Today, we will continue our discussion on Phase 2 clinical trials as it relates to clinical project management. Kindly review my previous video where I discussed early phase and Phase 1 clinical trials to follow along. Did you know that only about 33% of drugs successfully make it through Phase 2 clinical trials? That's because this phase is where we separate promising investigational products from those that just don't make the cut. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and check out my ebook on mastering clinical project management for more key insights. Now let's jump right in. What are Phase 2 clinical trials? Phase 2 trials test a drug's efficacy and further evaluate its safety in a larger patient population, typically 100 to 300 patients. Unlike Phase 1, which focuses on safety in healthy volunteers, Phase 2 focuses on confirming if the drug actually works for the intended medical condition. There are two types of Phase 2 trials. Phase 2A, which focuses on dosing and early signs of efficacy, and Phase 2B, which focus on large-scale trials to determine the optimal dose and confirm efficacy. Endpoints. Typically evaluated include reduction in disease symptoms, biomarker improvements, side effect profiles, and tolerability across different doses. Why are Phase 2 trials critical? A go or no-go decision are typically made in this phase simply because most drugs fail at Phase 2. Therefore, if there are no promising results, the clinical trial will not move to Phase 3, which requires much more investment. This phase is also critical for regulatory importance because data from Phase 2 helps secure regulatory guidance before a company invests in large-scale Phase 3 trials. What are the key operational challenges in managing a Phase 2 clinical trial? 1. Site selection and patient recruitment. Phase 2 trials need specialized investigators who understand the disease area. Finding about 300 patients for rare diseases condition is usually challenging. Solutions to mitigate this risk include using patient registries, digital recruitment strategies, and investigator network. 2. Study design and protocol. Complexity, placebo-controlled, dose-ranging, biomarker-based, each has different operational requirements. Balancing safety monitoring with collecting enough efficacy data is key. 3. Regulatory and compliance burdens. Adverse event reporting is critical since unexpected safety signals can halt a trial. With this, protocol amendments are common, causing delays and budget overruns. 4. Data management and monitoring. Adaptive trial designs are typically utilized, which can lead to protocol amendments mid-trial and require real-time data collection and analysis. I hope you found this content useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to share the biggest challenge you've seen in Phase 2 trials.